Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of changing your Chrome profile avatar. Whether you want to personalize your browsing experience or simply give your Chrome profile a fresh look, changing your avatar is a simple and fun way to do it. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Chrome on your device. You can find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your app drawer. Simply click on it to launch the browser. Step 2. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, you'll see a button with 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Click on it to expand the options. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Inside the settings page, you'll find various sections and options. Look for the section labeled You and Google. Click on it to access the personalization settings. Step 5. Scroll down the page until you find the Pick an Avatar option. This is where you can choose a new profile picture. Step 6. Clicking on Pick an Avatar will open a selection of different avatars for you to choose from. Browse through the options and find the one that best represents your style or personality. Step 7. Once you've found the perfect avatar, click on it to select it as your new profile picture. Chrome will automatically save your selection. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your Chrome profile avatar. Now, whenever you sign into Chrome using your account, your new avatar will be displayed. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing with your new Chrome profile avatar.